Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
100,000 miles. CVT transmissions last just as long as a traditional automatic transmission and are designed to last the full life of the vehicle. The typical CVT has a life expectancy of at least 100,000 miles. Certain models like the Toyota Prius commonly last well over 300,000 miles.
Take our lead.
The CVT is a precision piece of machinery with a complex electronic valve body. Replacement can cost from $4,000 to $7,000. However, if the fluid is changed every 40,000 to 50,000 miles, the life of the CVT can be greatly extended. The transmission fluid used on a CVT is expensive and ranges from $15 to $30 a quart.
Take our lead.
CVTs have been around for a while, but only recently have they become affordable and reliable. A CVT in a late model vehicle should easily surpass 100,000 miles with regular maintenance, but older CVTs may not last as long. A good CVT will last a very long time when taken care of.
Take our lead.
The regularly scheduled maintenance for a CVT transmission is a fluid inspection. After extended use, your CVT will need to be flushed, but it can last up to 100,000 miles or more depending on your vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Generally, the issues have been reported between 2012, 2013 and 2018. There were some problems in 2003 when Nissan first began using this transmission and in the 2007 to 2012 CVT generation. Specific models include the Murano, Sentra, Altima, Rogue, Versa, and Versa Note.
Let's help you make your mark.
CVT longevity. The typical CVT lasts over 100,000 miles. Like any other transmission though, making sure that it's taken care of will help ensure that you get as much life out of your transmission as you can. These are a couple of things you can do to increase the lifespan of your vehicle's CVT.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.